In this video, we understand how to create a main menu activity in Android application. And this activity, main menu activity code, we are going to generate in projectpixel.in website. Before this, we are going to understand, we are going to see the Android app that we have developed in the previous videos. So this is the tourism app that we have developed in previous videos, and this is what we have created: a home screen activity, login activity, and registration activity. So when we run this particular application, this is what the output that we got in the AVD. So when we click on this sign in button, it's showing login success, but once the login is success, it should go to main menu activity. So therefore that main menu activity we are going to develop in the projectpixel.in website. So for this I have to select create a menu. So in this create menu, it is showing two options. So I select here Android menu Android 1 and menu Android 2. So whichever the type of menu that you want to create, that you can select. So I will select this second one. So this is the second one I'm selecting, and save this particular menu with a file. So I say that main menu activity. I say activity main menu activity dot Android is the extension for Android applications. Android. Then language is Android. Here project title. The project title is like smart tourism. And what is the background color that you would like to provide for this menu? That background color we can give here. So any background color that you would like to give, that background color you can give, please. Or you can give a background image. So then this image I am not giving as far as here is concerned. If you are not giving any background color, you can provide background image. So I can say that like a back image I can give. So let us see otherwise the back image in this particular case. So I give the back image. Then I have to give the menus that I would like to have in my main menu and activity. So the menus that I would like to go for is like I would like to add, comma, view, comma, search, comma, edit. No, not edit. We'll say delete. Then I say edit, as well as I would like to go with what edit as well as delete in one application. So edit, delete. Let's say that edit delete as well as logout. So these are the things. These are the menus that I would like to get in what my Android menu activity. So these menu names should be separated with the comma. Then give the package name, Android package name. The Android package name you can see from your any Java file in Android application. So in tourism, smart tourism app, you can see from here com.example.smarttourism is the package name. So I'll copy from here. This is the package name I'm copying. So this is what Control C I'm saying, and I'll go here and I will copy. I'll replace the complete information with this one. Now I click on next button. This is the next button is there. I click on next button. Now download these two files. So I download the menu files. So I go to open containing folder. So first of all I'll copy main menu activity.xml. So right click, I go to what copy, and then I'll paste in the layouts. So in the layouts I right click and I click on paste. Similarly I go to the download folder where I'm going to copy main menu activity.java. This is what copy, and now I go to my project where I'm going to paste this, where it is in this particular package I'm going to paste it. This is a paste. Now it is showing a small error here, that is main menu activity.xml. So I'll open this particular activity. Okay, so where the error is, because we have provided one background image. See, I will show you here main activity.xml. Now you can see that this is a background image we have to provide. So in the drawable there is no back image file present. See here, in the drawable there is no back image is present. So I would like to make this tour .jpg. Suppose otherwise I would like to go for new image. So on my desktop images folder I have some images. Any image that you can make as a background image. So we will make this particular thing. What is that we would like to go with? Because yeah, this I'll go with copy, but I rename this particular thing as far as back.jpg, or I can also say that anything. Let's say that abc.jpg, right? Any file name. So I copy and I'll go here and I paste in my drawables MDI. So I paste it. So what is the image? It is abc.jpg, but we have given is drawable as back. That we can change here it as what? ABC. So I can also give here something called as ABC, the image name, and just save it. So once you click on the save button, now you see that this particular thing will be disappear. Now we go to the graphical layout. In the graphical layout you can see this is the background image that we got, but it's not okay. This text is not visible. You make you create an image which is what lighter in view. So this is what we have created. Next, so as far as now it's concerned, what I do is I will delete this particular background image because it is not good to see. Therefore I'll delete this particular background. The background itself, the complete text, I'm going to delete it, and I click on the save. So this is what graphical layout. Now this is the text. Okay, this is now very clear. So this is the activity. Now this activity details we have to add in what? Android manifest.xml. So now I go to what? Android manifest.xml. Here in the android manifest.xml we have to add the details about this main menu activity. So one activity element I copy here and I paste here in the same below this activity, and now change this particular activity name to what? Home menu. So let us see this Java file. What is the here it is main menu activity. Let's say that this is not home, but I say that main menu activity. So this particular file name, this particular name should be exact name with what? Main menu activity with case sensitive, right? This is the details. Now here the label also I change here as what? Main menu activity. That's it. Now save all. So now once the successful login is there, once the login is successful, then we have to show this particular main menu activity we have to show. Now for that we have to change in login activity. So in the login activity.java code that I am going to open, see here, this is the code present. When click on the submit button, okay, see here, this is what? Login success. Once the login is success, here we have to write the code for navigating into another activity. Now this code I will copy from registration or home screen activity. The intent code that I am going to copy. See, this is the intent code I am copying from home screen. Instead of writing, I am copying here. So I go to the login. Yeah, login, right. So once the login is successful, then to which activity we should navigate, we have to write here. So from which activity it is? It is what? Actually login activity. Here is present login activity. So I write here login activity. From this login activity, to which activity it should go now? It should go to main menu activity dot class. So from the login activity, it will navigate to main menu activity, and I'm starting the activity here. So this is what the changes I did here, and I just click on save or save all, right? So then I now run this particular application. So run as Android application. In the emulator you can see here. So it is now going to restart your app. So it takes some time. Yeah, now your app is what restarting. Now you can see that this is the activity that it is showing now. So I click on what sign in button. When I click on sign in button, it shows login activity. Yeah, now I give the username as Kumar and the password also what Kumar. Then I click on sign in button. When I click on the sign in button, what happens here, it is, yeah, login is success. Now it is now going to show what, now it's showing what this is what main menu. So this is a main menu, it is showing now. Now if you want to make this particular smart tourism, this particular text you want to change, you can change from the code, so this is what main menu activity. So here this is the name, this is the text that you can change from here, please. I'll show you. Yeah, like this, you open the properties. In the properties, yeah, smart tourism is there. Here is a smart tourism text is present. Let me show you this one. Yeah, this is smart tourism. You can also make this particular thing, the text as main menu. So that will get as main menu. That's it. So like this you can change it. And this particular main menu activity we have created with the help of a project pixel.in website.